Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof.